Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about Rivians. So as you know, Tesla, they do sell like certified pre-owned Tesla and all that stuff. Well, Rivian just starting to do the same too. So as we can see right here, these are certified Rivian. So yeah, you can see they have like different year. Just like this one, 2022 launch editions, and this one 2023. And depending on the mileage and the options, the price will vary. But we're gonna so far right now they only started to testing out with two markets in California and Illinois. That's it. So I think eventually it's going to be going out to more and more other states. But let's take a look at one of these vehicle, and then we're gonna see what it has and all kind of stuff. As you can see right here, price lowest is what, like 71,000, and the highest is like $77,800. And so far they got two green color, one white and one black and one gray, I guess. So let's click on this one, the launch edition for the white ones. So when you click on this one, you pretty much, I think it has all the pictures you can click on. Close up. There we go. A lot of pictures. Really nice, right? And over here, it actually gives you like the whole breakdown of the vehicle wise. So this is the R1S quad large. It currently has 12,492 miles, and the range for this is 289 mile range. 3 second, I think 0 to 60, 3 second, 835 horsepower, and the price is $73,150. So just a quick calculation, it's roughly about $1,200 a month. And this vehicle is currently located in San Francisco, so you would have to go there and pick it up. So going down, you see the year is 2022, and the condition is pre-owned Rivian. And it also gives you all the VIN number as well too. But Rivian does provide us with the Carfax, so we can actually see it, the whole history of the car, and without worrying about it. And the current miles is 12,492, and the trim is launch editions. Motor wise, it's quad motors, all-wheel drive. Battery is large. Exterior is glacial white. Accent badging is bright package. Wheels 20-inch. Utility air compressor. Interior black mount plus dark ash wood. Audio Rivian Elevations audio. Roof panoramic glass roof, and compact spare tires. And right below, we're going down a little more, you're going to see Rivian pre-owned. So inspected for 130 plus details inside and out. Road tested, and it also qualifies for a 7 days return as well too. So if you have a buyer's remorse, you know what, this one gave you 7 days period. I think CarMax probably I think they have 3 days, but Rivian has 7 days. And this vehicle, like, they inspected it and they passed it and they certified for the pre-owned. So the condition, pre-owned inspection passed, right? And then they also have like the history report, which is here. After you click on here, it's actually going to pull up a Carfax report. So as you can see, Carfax, usually they run this for $44.99. It gives you everything about the car. It has one open recall. Carfax, only one owner vehicle, and it's registered as a personal vehicle, not leased. And again, you got all the information, the vehicles here. And last owned is in Montana, right? And the last reporting mileage was 12,345. So maybe like 100 miles more than the last one, that one that we have now. And all the issues that that would be over here. So you can see it's not total loss cars, reported no issues, structural damage, no, airbag deployment. Everything checked out pretty good here. You can see that. See, and over here, Carfax guarantee. History, one owner, purchase 2022, personal, Carfax one owner. They want to emphasize that 1 year and 1 month for 12,000. That's so the vehicle is not really driven much, because on an average standard here, about 15,000 miles a year. So not bad for the mileage. And here it actually go down a little bit more in details on when the purchase was vehicle was purchased, and when it was registered as well too, and when it was last reported as well. So there you go. You got the Carfax that give you peace of mind, right? And then we're gonna wrap up with the as far as the warranty wise. So warranty comprehensive. So right now we're in September, so it's gonna end in September 2027, and then or 60,000 miles. So in this case, if it has 14,000, you'll probably have another like 45,000. So yeah, 60, and for battery pack and drivetrain, you got until September 2030 or 175,000 miles. So the price breakdown is $73,150 estimated payment. You got to deposit and you got to pick it up within 1 to 4 weeks. So let's click on the warranty wise. So about the warranty, pre-owned vehicles are covered by the vehicle's original warranty policy for a set number of years or miles, whichever comes first. What's included? Comprehensive warranty, battery pack system, drivetrain system limited warranty, corrosions limited warranty, occupant restraint system limited warranty, and there's the closer here. Right. So yeah, that's one of the vehicle, right? So not bad. You got basically you have like the warranty up to what's it like 3 years, 4 years, 3 years or 60,000 miles, and then for the other one 6 years, 175,000 miles. Not bad at all for, but I don't know if the price is that cheap. 73,000 I think still kind of a lot. All right, so let's check out like a newer one, model one. So let's try with this one. This one dual large and quad large. Let's try this one. This one. So this one, it's a R1S quad large. It only has under 1,000 miles, and the range is 321, more than the other one. 063, same thing, but the payment for this one is going to be a little bit more. The other one was 1,200. This is almost 1,300, and this one is a year newer. Same thing, pre-owned. All the information is here. I think this wheel is 1 inch bigger, set 21 inch, and the rest is pretty much about the same. And the warranty for this one a little more. You get June 2028, and so you get a year more. And in the end, how much you pay out total? $77,800. Right? Really nice color, unique color. I haven't seen this color on the street. I usually see white or yellow. Yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave in a comment below. Other than that, be safe. Till next time.